wasn't me.
It was me, Sammy. I broke my piggy bank. It's time to buy a new smartphone. Mine isn't functioning anymore.
Sue, when did you manage to save so much money?
I was saving change from shopping, but now I need to count all this. Can you help me?
Oh, sure. It's a very pleasant task. Oopsie! Shiver me cheddars, it's not possible to count it.
If only we had a special counting machine, like they have in the banks. Sam, where are you going?
What's your guess?
Sammy, you're a genius!
Duh.
Hi, guys! All the greatest human inventions began from a simple wheel, and our machine is not an exception.
And who invented the wheel, Sue?
Oh, well, it was invented thousands of years ago.
Thousands of years? Guys, do you know why ancient people needed the wheel?
Write in the comments what you think about it. Sam, can you help me make 2 more wheels like this?
Sure, Sue. I am a cardboard master after all.
Better say a cardboard gluing master.
Exactly.
Next, we'll need pedals like this. They're made of 2 layers of regular cardboard and 1 layer of cover cardboard. Sam, how's it going with the wheels?
All good, but I can't understand why you need 3 of them. Sue, catch!
These are future digital screens for units, tens, and hundreds. And these are gears.
I read that there are some plant hoppers that have gears on their legs. Is this true, Sue?
Yes, Sammy, it is. With such leg mechanisms, the nips of these plant hoppers can jump very fast and at long distances.
Sue, did I do good?
Oh, you glued it so nicely, hole to hole.
You forgot to cut the gear for the 3rd wheel, Susie.
Here, we will need these small wooden pieces, Sammy. The parts should be placed strictly between the numbers.
Sue, I thought that if we have gears, then there should be a switch.
Sam, you're thinking like an engineer mechanic. These are some great parts from cover cardboard.
I will glue it, I will. Tap, 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 tap. I wish I could glue a new smartphone for you like this. Or...
No. We won't make any smartphones from cardboard. I'll just buy a new one. The high-resolution camera, and tons of gigabytes of memory.
Sue, I was thinking that technology is developing so fast.
True, Sammy. And what are you worried about?
What if the machines take over? What if we serve them and not the other way?
I don't think that'll happen. At least not in the nearest future.
Yeah, sure. Today it's Roomba and tomorrow the owner of our house.
Look, Sammy, do you really think that such a cute mechanism can do any harm?
I'm not sure, Susie. I'll watch it. Sue is preparing the other parts for our craft, and I will make a surprise for her. Ugh. I'll glue the future body for our machine. I'm pretty sure that this is the best industrial design.
Whoa, when did you manage to make such an awesome body?
It didn't take me long. And what's that?
New parts, of course. But there is one special feature. These wooden sticks. They will become the axis for our small wheels. Here's more cover cardboard, and just a tiny little bit of a regular one. Cover cardboard is very durable, so our parts will serve longer. Sam disappeared again!
I better go drink some hot chocolate. Lunchtime!
By the way, first MDF material, similar to the one we use in our craft, was invented because of lunch.
Maybe I'll invent something too.
The inventor left for lunch and turned off the wood shaving steam press. But it was broken, so the steam continued to flow. That's how a very solid material was created.
Now you see, Sue, you can't skip lunch.
Right, Sammy. Check out the result.
And if I hadn't left, you wouldn't have done so great. Guys, what do you like to eat for lunch? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to the news of our channel. We'll assemble it all together. It's important to go nice and slow here.
I'm totally puzzled. What are you actually doing? This part doesn't look very friendly.
This is a very useful part. With its help, we can reset the numbers on the coin counter.
I still don't get it.
Sammy, don't rush. You'll see in a moment.
This looks like a Decepticon with scary tentacles.
Our machine will have makings of artificial intelligence. It will count coins on its own and show the numbers on the display.
Did you say artificial intelligence? It means it'll think, and this means we're in danger!
Sammy, you're an alarmist. Better pass me that hook.
If I were you, I'd be careful with any declarations. Here you go.
Sammy, don't run away. I also need rubber bands.
I didn't know how many I need, so I took all of them.
As always, I needed just one. We secure it like this. And the last part is this one. It consists of covered cardboard and one hair clip that I don't need. We'll glue it here.
Sue, our super machine needs a test drive. What if you mix something up?
Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay. And now let's reset.
Oh, now we can count tons of coins.
And now we will assemble the heart of our coin counter.
Alright.
Sammy, I need a battery.
Battery? I saw it somewhere. I'll go look for it.
In the meantime, we'll connect the wires like this. Terminals, and the switch to the motor and the battery. The circuit is complete.
Sue, mission impossible. I can't find the battery.
I believe in you. Look in the closet. Guys, be very careful with the soldering tool or ask an adult to help you. Oh, what's all this?
Sue, this is all I found.
Sammy, you know that's not what I need. Please search some more. Guys, let's support Sam. Give him a thumbs up. Just a little bit left. This motor will bring the coin counting mechanism to life. Oh, Sam, super timing. Look what I've got. Let's test our mechanism.
Wow, Sue, this is real magic.
No magic, my friend, just science and technology. We have the two best parts of the craft ahead. Assembling and
Decoration. Sue, are we decorating something?
No, Sam, it's too early. I knew that was gonna work. I hoped that you'd help me cut out several parts from cardboard.
Susan, you are so cunning, but I know that you can't do without me.
Sure thing, Sammy. And meanwhile, I'll attach the motor to its designated place. A couple more parts. And look, the coin will drop here. The motor rotates this wooden part. One side of it turns the counter and the other pushes the coin out.
Ba-doom!
Whoa, perfect timing.
Oh, your intelligence is creating artificial intelligence. Isn't that ironic, Sue?
Can't argue there.
Oh, you glued it so fast. Are you sure you're not a robot?
No, Sammy. Check out what we have here.
Hooray! Finally decorating. This is my shining moment. Decoratus Magicus!
So, Sammy, shall we count how much money I saved?
Now we definitely won't lose the count. My turn! Did you like our high cardboard technology?
Give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button.
Bye-bye! And don't trust robots.